A community conversation about the future of the financially challenged Winston-Salem Forsyth County school system brought a full crowd to a church in Winston-Salem today. Good evening. This is the Fox 8 5 o'clock news. I'm Neil McNeil.
And I'm Addison Forsey. Knollwood Baptist Church is hosting the Faith in the City series. And today, all eyes were on the new superintendent, Dr. Don Phipps. Fox 8's Celeste Smith joins us live now in Winston-Salem. Celeste, what were some of the key points that Dr. Phipps highlighted today?
Well, there were dozens of people here in a packed room to listen in on what Superintendent Phipps had to say. And what stood out most was the emphasis he put on being receptive to community members' concerns. And then he also spoke focusing on trust, transparency, and then also community involvement.
I would say strategic priorities that may not show up in a strategic plan. But when I think about where I'm at as a superintendent and where we're at as a school district, number one is rebuilding trust within our communities.
Amen. The Faith in the City community conversation comes just over a month after Dr. Don Phipps stepped into his role as superintendent of Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools. Phipps says the district is facing challenges that extends well beyond academics.
I think the more you know, the more better informed you are to be able to understand what happened, but also to be able to engage in the process of asking questions or be involved in some way.
Phipps touched on the mental health crisis affecting students and staff, chronic absenteeism, and the district's financial strain. He described ongoing efforts to stabilize the budget, improve procedures, and find a chief financial officer so the district doesn't repeat past mistakes.
I think there's a high level of curiosity and also hope that we'll enter into the next phase of restoring trust and setting priorities and serving the children of this city as well as possible.
Some attendees said the recent financial challenges and reduction in force made this conversation especially important.
I thought they had excellent questions and comments, many things of which I've heard my neighbors say or conversations at church that we've talked about. I know we have this big election coming up, but I think it's really important not to just believe everything that you hear or that people say, but find out what really was the role of the school board.
Phipps answered community members' questions on efforts to address concerns and how they can stay engaged. He encourages volunteering, advocacy, and community partnership.
I believe building those relationships and being responsive to our community is critically important in our work. And you have to get out and be a part of the community to be able to do that work.
Phipps also says he wants to give community members a chance to have a better understanding of how school finance works, and he hopes to potentially hold a presentation that would give a basic understanding of school budgeting, which he hopes to hold between now and March. Live in Winston-Salem, Celeste Smith, Fox 8 News.